Hey guys, I went on and bought his own drone. Show your drone. Show everybody your drone. It's a little micro mini drone. And where's the controller? Let's see the controller. Here's his drone. He's gonna take off. Whoa, look at that.
Stop! Ah! Whoa!
Ooh, look at that. Turn this around this way. Let that cook. Okay. We'll move this over here. See you for later.
Yeah.
Man, these butterflies are on the prowl. Look at that. They're out there. They're out there trying to lay those eggs. Wow. It's probably like the 5th one I've seen today. So guys, it's the next morning, July 5th. Look what happened. She has this bruise here. And she thought I smacked her with something last night while we were outside. And there's another bruise too, right? Her other bruise is gone. It was on her knee. But when the fire shell exploded in the air, this is what hit her. This shot out of the firework shell when it exploded in the air, and it came shooting down and hit her in the arm. And you can probably hear it in the video. I'll probably play it back, but yeah. So let's see y'all. See you guys later.